Hi, welcome to Clean Beauty with Alli Marie. In today's video, I am going to be applying the Glow Set by Merit Beauty to my skin, and I will also be doing some shade swatching as well to help make it easier to choose the perfect set for you. I hope you find today's video helpful. For those of you who are new to my channel, I am Alli. I am a mom of 2 girls, and I am on a mission to make it easy to find clean products that truly work. If you wouldn't mind subscribing before you go, it would mean a lot. Thank you. Okay, let's get glowing. For those of you who have not heard of Merit before, Merit Beauty is a minimalist beauty brand creating products that are safe for the body, the skin, and the planet. The best way to save on these products is to grab one of their curated sets. Then you can get up to 15% off of these fabulous products. So, because of that, I am going to be sharing a set with you today, and I am going to be sharing the Glow Set with you. It comes with 4 products. Thing that I like the most about the Merit Beauty products is how they feel on my skin. I don't feel like I've got this thick, heavy cake-like product all over my skin. It feels lightweight and natural, and I am excited to share how easy these are to apply. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I have on my skin so far, I do have the Minimalist Complexion Stick. I have applied that. I've also applied a little bit of the Merit bronzer balm through here and a little bit down the sides of my nose. I also have on the Clean Lash Mascara and the brow gel. So I have the nice perfect base to add a little bit of color now. So I am going to start with the Flush Balm. I have decided to try the shade Raspberry Beret. I have not tried this shade on my skin just yet, and I am super excited to give it a try. It looks super pretty. So this is how I like to apply this product. I start right here on the top of my cheekbone, and I just pull it like this. I just make a nice little line. Wow, that shade is really, really lovely. Okay, so then I'm gonna apply it to this side in the same manner. It's super creamy. You can already kind of see the glow that this is giving off. And then I just take a blush brush and I just use circular motions and bring it back like this. I love the glow. This shade is really, really pretty. I do have 2 other shades, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch those on my arm just so that you can see the shades that I have and kind of what they look like. But this is Raspberry Beret, and I really like it. Let me blend out this side. I like how creamy this product is, so it really reflects that light well and just melts right into your skin. So it has that nice light second skin kind of feel to it. So you don't feel like you've got this big chunk of powder sitting right there on the top of your skin. Okay. Now I've got this nice hint of color. It adds a lot just with this one product. Let me go ahead and shade swatch the other ones that I've got just so you can see. I have Stockholm. This is a little bit lighter pink. I'm gonna put a little bit right here on my arm just so you can see it. Okay, this is Stockholm. I also have Cheeky, and I wear Cheeky a lot. It's really, really pretty. I'm actually getting somewhat low on this one, and I've used this countless times, so these products really do last quite a long time. So here is Cheeky, right below Stockholm. It's a little bit darker. Stockholm is a little lighter pink. This one gets a little deeper, and I bet when I add this Raspberry Beret, it's going to be just slightly deeper than that. Yes. So we kind of go from light to dark All three are really pretty. And today I am wearing Raspberry Beret. What's nice about it is you can kind of layer. So if you get one layer on and you're like, I could use a little bit more color, add another layer. It just really melts in and blends really, really nicely. So, okay, I'm gonna get this off my arm and then we are going to apply the next product. Okay, the next product in the glow set that I will be applying is called the Day Glow Highlighting Balm. And I am going to be trying the shade Bounce today. I have been using Kava a lot and I love it. So I'm excited to give Bounce a try. So what I like to do with this highlighting balm is I start at the top of my cheekbones here on both sides, to let the light just kind of bounce off the tops of my cheeks. I also like to apply some down the bridge of my nose. I like to add a little bit right here to my Cupid's bow, I believe is what this is called. And then I apply some to my brow bone as well to let the light hit there. It just adds a really lovely, wow, look at that glow. It's so pretty. So what's nice about this product is it adds glow without adding like that glittery, sparkly look. It's just a really nice, natural glow. And then I just take my finger and I make sure that this product just kind of melts into my skin. So pretty. You can add some here to the inside corner of your eye as well if you would like for a little brightening effect. So that is the beautiful highlighting balm, and that one was in Bounce. I have been using the shade Kava a lot, so I'm gonna go ahead and shade swatch those for you just so you can kind of see the difference. So here is, oh, I still got some blush on me. So here is Kava. I'm gonna put that right here, and it's a little bit more light without that hint of color to it. And I believe Bounce has a little bit of like a rose gold kind of hint to it. So let's kind of see if I can compare the two. Yeah, it has a little bit more gold in it. Can you see? I feel like Kava is more reflective. And then Bounce is that really bronzy, pretty glow. Both really, really lovely. I'm not gonna be able to choose which one is my favorite just yet. I don't think I'm gonna have to wear Bounce a couple of times to try to decide, but both are really pretty. Now I have got a really nice glow going on, and it is time for lips. The next product is the Signature Lip. This is in the shade Fashion. This is more of a bold shade for me, but it is so pretty. It is this lovely, lovely pink, and I cannot wait for you guys to see what it looks like. I did remove the lip balm that I had on, just so you can see what this looks like on my natural lips. It's so creamy. What I like about this lipstick is how I can just live in it and I don't even notice it's on my lips. It doesn't feel drying, it's just hydrating. And this shade is so fun. It is definitely more of a bold look for me, but the light hits it so nicely. Yeah, I love this one. Fashion is what this one is called again. Okay, so let me share with you the other shades that I have just so you can compare. So sorry for the interruption, but when I went to edit this video, I noticed that during the signature lipstick shade swatching on my arm, my camera went out of focus and you couldn't see the shades. So decided to go ahead and refilm. And since I was refilming anyways, I decided to take advantage of being able to show you a few different shades on my skin. So I decided to go with Cheeky as my Flush Balm shade, and then Kava as my highlighting balm shade. And then on my lips, I am wearing the shade Millennial, which is just a really nice, lovely pink that is great for everyday wear. So, okay, I am going to try shade swatching these again. Let's make sure it doesn't go out of focus this time. So I am going to go ahead and put Millennial on there first. So this is again the one I am wearing now, a really nice light pink. Put it right here. Okay, that is Millennial. Sorry that my chair is squeaking. I've got to figure out a way to fix that. Okay, here is the next shade. This one is called Baby. It's a little bit more on the nude side. It still has some pink to it. Let's see how it compares to Millennial. It is a little darker, a little bit more hint of that nude kind of brown tones to it. Really, really lovely. And then of course we have this nice bold Fashion, the one that I just tried on for you in the other video. Really nice, bold, pretty pink. And let's see how it compares to the other two. So pretty. Okay, so these are Millennial, Baby, and Fashion, and I don't think it's out of focus, so I think we are good to go. Now it is time to go back to the original video. I hope that this was helpful. Okay, the last product in the Glow set is your shade Slick product. So there's a tinted oil, or there are the jellies. I have a few of each of those, and as you're selecting your set, you can choose between the two. I decided to choose a jelly shade today called Jeté that doesn't have a lot of color to it. It's mostly just a really pretty gloss. I chose that since I knew that Fashion was going to be a little bit more bold. I probably didn't need a bunch of color on top of it, so I want to share with you what Jeté looks like on top of Fashion. Can you see that shine? So fun. So kind of took this lipstick to the next level with that really pretty glow. Didn't add much color, but it added a really pretty shine, and I really like how the jellies feel on my lips. They're a little bit thicker than the tinted oils. I feel like they last slightly longer. The oils have a little bit more color to them though, so I'm gonna share what I've got with you. Okay, the tinted oils, I have two. I have Pink Beat and Au Naturel. So I'm gonna put both of those on my arm. So Pink Beat looks like this. It is a really, really pretty glossy look that's not sticky. Okay, that one again was Pink Beat. And then Au Naturel is a little bit more of a brown hint to it than pink. So more nude or natural. Both really similar, both really pretty. And then I have one other jellies shade, Les Deux is what this one is called. And it's kind of this, it looks a lot more bold and bright, but it's just this really pretty glossy pink, and it's really fun. I really like this one a lot. So fun. And then let me go ahead and put Jeté, the one that I'm wearing right now, on my arm just so you can see it. So you can wear these Shade Slick either oils or jellies by themselves or on top of the signature lip. So Jeté doesn't add a lot of color, just a really pretty shine. Okay, and that is it. That is the glow set. You can see my skin has this really lovely natural glow. Don't look overdone. I still look like myself with a little extra. I really like this set. So what is nice about Merit is that on your very first order, you will actually receive the signature makeup bag for free. It's super handy. It has this knotted hair look, and it doesn't have any hardware in it, so it's easy to wash if it gets messy, and it fits all of my Merit products. If you would like to shop Merit, make sure to use the link in my description. Check out the sets because that's the best way to save, and all orders over $40 receive free shipping. So yay! I hope that this video was helpful for you. I'm gonna go ahead and pop up a before picture so that you can see before and then after with using the 4 glow products. And I am here if you've got any questions, and I hope you have a super blessed day. Thank you for watching. Bye.